Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Are you prepared for an exciting culinary adventure? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Samosa Chaat. This unique dish is a tangy, sweet, and spicy treat that will tantalize your taste buds with its array of flavors. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we're going to whip up some tamarind chutney. This is a key ingredient in our Samosa Chaat recipe. To prepare it, combine 1 cup of tamarind paste with 1 cup of water. Next, add a half teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar to the mix. Stir everything together until you have a smooth and flavorful chutney. A word of caution here: tamarind can be quite sticky, so make sure to stir well to avoid any lumps forming. Now that we have our chutney ready, let's move on to preparing the rest of our Samosa Chaat components. Now that our chutney is ready, let's move on to preparing the rest of our Samosa Chaat components. We'll need a handful of samosas. Deep fry them until they turn golden brown for that extra crunch and flavor. Once they're prepared, arrange them on a plate for easy access during the final assembly process. Now comes the fun part: bringing all these flavors together. Start by adding some puffed rice to your serving dish. This adds a nice crunch and texture. Then top it with freshly chopped cilantro for that green color and refreshing herbal flavor. Next up are the freshly made green chutney and red onion. Don't forget about them. Finally, spoon some yogurt on top for a cooling contrast against all those spicy ingredients we just included in our dish. Make sure it's not too runny. And voila! Your homemade Samosa Chaat is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe as much as I do. Remember to share your experience with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and happy cooking everyone.